of goddess Durga, which is worshipped on the fourth day of Navaratri, is the Kushmanda. The name Kushmanda is made of three other words that are Ku, Ushma, Amda, Kushmanda. Here, Ku is little, Ushma is warmth or energy, Amda is egg, meaning the one who creates the universe as little cosmic egg. With the energy of her divine smile is called Kushmanda. Ma Kushmanda is also named as Adi Shakti. She is the only one who has the power and strength to live in the core of Suryaloka. Her body shines like the glowing sun.
संपूर्णकलशं रुधिराप्लुतमेव च संपूर्णकलशं रुधिराप्लुतमेव च दधाना हस्तपद्माभ्याम् दधाना हस्तपद्माभ्याम् कूष्माण्डा 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 शुभदास्तु मे कूष्माण्डा शुभदास्तु मे
Thank you.